Hello and happy Friday. My name is Raulf. I'm the founder of Boulder SEO Marketing. So in today's Friday SEO tip, I want to talk about these AI overviews, these AI generated uh, piece of information that show up more frequently now when you perform a search on Google. As you can see here, SEO pricing and plans, that's one of our target SEO keywords. If you do a search for this keyword, Google will show an AI overview where they provide the searcher with really high quality information right at the top. So a lot of people will find information without having to click through to websites such as Boulder SEO Marketing, right? So these AI overviews, they're shown for, I would say, mostly informational searches where people just do initial research before they eventually click through to a website. On this side here, you have websites that are cited in these AI overviews. So this is what we're going to talk about in this Friday SEO tip. I had the opportunity to record a podcast interview with Mike Korenugin of SE Ranking. He's the head of product at this incredible SEO tool, my personal favorite SEO tool. It was nearly an hour-long podcast interview where we dove deep into discussing AI overviews, how a tool such as SE Ranking is dealing with the changing search engine results pages landscape. So as always, I'm going to include the links of the information that I'm sharing here in this video below in the description field of the YouTube video. So here is the link to the podcast interview that I recorded with Mike. He's a great guy. So I definitely encourage you, if you're interested in learning more about these AI overviews, how tools like SE Ranking are dealing with this new feature, make sure to listen to this podcast interview or watch it. Then, so Mike, he is working on implementing new features such as how to identify if your website is being shown in relation to if somebody is doing a search for, for example, SEO packages pricing. So the tool SE Ranking will show me that, hey, this page is actually being shown as part of this AI overview. Let me quickly show you how this is done. Oh yeah, and by the way, if you want to try SE Ranking, they're offering our audience a 30-day free trial, no credit card required. This is an awesome tool if you want to see if your website is being shown as part of these AI overviews. So if we do a search for SEO packages pricing, right? So our website is being shown as part of these resources that are being used to put together this AI overview. And we're also number one here. So if somebody wants to click through or, wants to look at the blue links, so to speak, they can click through right to our guide here on SEO pricing. Then, very interesting. So I started to optimize for the search term international AI and SEO expert. I speak now globally about this topic. I just got back from speaking in Barcelona earlier last year, spoke in Shanghai, China. So there's a lot of interest out there in AI and SEO. As you can see here, I am being cited as one of the top experts in this field. Now, what I want to please pay attention to the link here and organizations like Boulder SEO Marketing. However, these tools or these AI overviews are getting better and better. So instead of just sending people to our homepage, if you click on this link in this AI overview, it actually takes you over to a webinar that I'm co-hosting, presenting next week, April 23, Agentic AI for SEO, how to boost rankings with Micro SEO. It's an hour-long webinar. Again, Wednesday, April 23, 10 a.m. Mountain Time. Daniel Burns, our CEO, is joining me in presenting this webinar. So shameless plug for this webinar. If you want to learn these things that are shown here, I invite you, encourage you to register for this upcoming complimentary webinar. As you can see from this AI overview that I just showed you here, Google definitely knows, me and in relation to these AI and SEO things. So hopefully you'll have a chance to join us for this April 23rd webinar. With that being said, I hope you learned something new. I hope you're going to listen to the podcast interview that I did with Mike. You're going to learn a lot of great information about these AI overviews and how agentic AI is changing SEO in general. With that being said, as always, stay safe and healthy. Until next time. Bye.